I'm back, and today we're at another pre-car week car meet. Just driving in already, I got passed by a Pagani and a Carrera GT, so I'm really excited for this meet. I was at this meet 2 years ago, and then they stopped hosting it, so I'm excited that it's back, and there's definitely some crazy cars already. Okay, so walking up, we got the Porsche lineup. Holy shit. Okay, over here we got an R8, Lambo, and another one, and another one, and another one. Damn. Also guys, special guest, my dog. This is a Gunther Works Porsche. This is expensive as hell. You can see because in the headlights it has GW. And look at this. Holy crap. Damn. Look, Dad, I told you. I told my dad the purple Apollo was going to be in here, and look what it is. This thing is nuts. Guys, and then DDE's twin turbo F12 is here. Hold on. Boom. This thing's insane. I've seen it so much. Dude, there's some crazy cars in here. Got another Carrera GT. Damn. Ford GT. These look good. 918 Spider. Alright. Bro, look at this whole supercar, bro. Holy shit. Guys, what do we think of the Senna wing on the 720S? Another Carrera GT and shit ton of Ferrari, Lambo, and McLarens. Oh, this is such a pretty color. Oh my goodness. Guys, there's another Ford GT. Wow. Okay, we got Hyper Society Senna GTR. Holy shit. That is nuts. The Senna GTR is so crazy. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Now we got some cool cars coming up. Nice. Got a Bugatti Chiron, their SVJ. Some Koenigsegg's, and then Schmee's Vantage GT8. Again, that we saw this morning. Dude, this is nuts with all the cars. Holy shit. I know, but there's so many freaking people. Literally cannot see shit. I don't even know how to like film this because there's so many people. The GT2 RS. Damn. Okay. Hey guys, maybe if we all stay on the sidewalk. Oh, he's going that way. It pisses me off when like cars are trying to drive and everyone just stands in the street. Like, let them go. Holy shit. Damn, look at the lineup. Okay. This is nuts. Damn. Holy shit. What'd you think of that one, Corky? Oh, he approves. Damn, okay. that GT3 sounded insane. We saw all those cars earlier. GT40 is nuts. Holy shit. Blacked out, murdered out. Oh my god. That is fucking Batmobile. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Guys, that meet was insane. Corkapoo had fun. That was actually crazy. I was getting a little mad, but like it's okay. Now we're off to a California Cars official meet. But I think I'm going to do that a whole separate video. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe because I have a lot of videos coming from pre-car week.